All right guys, so right here we have a split block. This is called a J block. The split is for the reason of getting around penetrations coming off the wall. So plumbing, spigots, things that aren't perfectly circle that it could just slide over. There's a bunch of different angles on this. So it splits down the middle so you can get around whatever penetrations coming out of the wall. And then you just snap it on to each other. And right there. So he has one side nailed already and he's gonna put the other side on. But this sits against the wall like that, so it's clean. And then there's another piece that snaps on above this. This right here snaps on at the end, and it gives a clean finish. It's called a split block because it's split down the middle, and then it snaps into each other. The siding with Everlast, you need a 1/4 inch gap between any end piece of inside channel trim or any other exterior penetration, because this siding needs to be able to move. So you got a 1/4 inch here. This is a little over a 1/4 inch. It's not a huge deal because the two piece of the J block is going to snap over. So we'll show you what it looks like after. But we just want to make sure there's space between everything so that the siding can move left to right when it expands and contracts. And thank you, Jordan. So this gets snapped on at the end, which I'll show you right here. Right there. That's the finishing look right there. So you don't see the gaps, but this siding behind the channel, it needs to move a little bit. So even if the siding were to move all the way left, it wouldn't pop out of this side. If it were to move all the way right, it wouldn't pop out of this side. So this is the finished look, what a split block looks like, but also showing you guys the expansion cuts that are required with Everlast.